What?
Can you please help?
Buckle me!
That was so funny.
What you call me?
Buckle me! No, buckle me! Buckle me!
No.
Buckle me!
No. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Oh, Aaron, I don't know what to do, okay? Can you help me?
Let him go up.
Aaron, he's laying down when he gets up there.
Let me do it.
Buckle me!
Stand up, Daddy.
Stand up.
I also Daddy.
Yeah. Buckle me!
Was that funny when she got mad?
Here, Shisha, this is the last time. Aaron, do it again.
Buckle me!
Aaron, he's in hospital. Hospital.
Buckle me! Buckle me!
You gotta put this on YouTube. So you...
I'm gonna.
Are you?
Go on, buckle me.
Buckle me! Buckle me!
Oh, crazy.
Buckle me! Buckle me! Look! Buckle me!
Aaron, he's gonna fall. What did she say? Oh, okay.
Yeah, Jason.
I'm all set.
You coming down, Jason? Okay.
Buckle me! All done.
I kept it going.
Hey, Jason.
Steve, did you record that?
Yeah.
Buckle me.
Hey, Kylie. Let's say down. Coming down. Yep. Kylie,
Me nose!
down. That way. I go down.
Copperpuss, let's go.
Dapper bus. Stay down.
Oh, night.
You want to go to bed? You don't want to go to. You want to go in the night?
Don't tease
Go
me.
beach?
You want to stay awake?
Want to go in the little tubby?
It's getting late.
Little white tubby?
Yeah,
Go. Like this in little white tubby?
yeah.
Yeah. Go little white tubby?
You're killing me in there, Daddy.
No, you'll come with me.
No, I'm gonna kill me in there. You're going.
I'm going? Okay.
Go in.
No.
Yeah, but you need to take a nice dump and then you'll...
Oh, whoops.
Doppy?